This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 9th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Easter out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about the satellite loop across the lower 48. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar. Also, we're going to take a look at the watches, warning, and advisories across the lower 48. And also, we're going to take a look at the forecast model run for the GFS and the European model for that possible tropical development. But right now, it's looking less likely, but it still may bring some heavy rainfall over portions of the south and southeastern United States as we go later on into this week. For you coming up in tonight's video, but first we're going to take a look at mainly the tropical weather outlook in this video. Getting rid of some of these old pop-up ads, but anyway, we have there's that system exiting off to the stage right there, moving off to the east. Got scattered showers over Florida, a little bit along the coastal waters, even in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Quiet conditions for pretty much the East Coast. We're basking in sunshine today across much of the United States. There's these shower and thunderstorms over portions of Minnesota, back through portion of Kansas and Nebraska, back down to Oklahoma and northern Texas. There's that little tropical feature right here. This little system here and this little system here that's where we were thinking that something may try to pop right here in the Gulf of Mexico, but still keep an eye on that just to be on the safe side. Here comes that weather maker here later about midweek, coming into the Pacific Northwest, bringing some shower and thunderstorm that may bring some severe weather over portions of the central portion of the United States. Like I said, I'll have more on that later on tonight. Snow showers, some rain showers along coastal vicinities, and also we have some rain around the Hawaiian Islands there as well. Alrighty, now we take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories across the lower 48 here. Okay, here we go. Alright, we got quiet conditions over the northeastern portion of the United States. We got freeze warning, frost advisory. We have freeze warning, freeze watches over portions of Virginia, all the way up in the poor portion of PA and Washington D.C. Frost advisory. Here we go over northeast Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, and southwest West Virginia. We still got a lake wind advisory here in the Carolinas. Got some coastal issue problems for maybe some high surf and also some beach erosion possible along the southeast coast as that system lifts away from the area. We have some hydro issues over portions of Michigan and also in Wisconsin and also Minnesota, and also out west here in Montana, Idaho, portion of Washington State and Oregon, and also Wyoming. We have some flash flooding possible in Nevada. We got the flash flood watches in effect, and also we have an avalanche warning in effect for portions of Utah for heavy snow in that vicinity that may collapse on some roadway. Quiet conditions pretty much elsewhere. Alright, let's take a look at the GFS model here. This is starting off at 8 p.m. Monday evening. You can see that little system coming in, starting to develop a little low pressure system down in the Gulf of Mexico. It's one's a 1018, one's a 1011 millibar low pressure system. Right now it does not look no tropical system at this time, so but it looks like it makes a little bit of a landfall, and it looks like it stays pretty close to the shore of Louisiana, and then it moves inland, and then it's kind of spreads, precipitate, kind of breaks into two pieces. One goes over Florida, one goes over portions of Mississippi and Alabama, and then it lifts off to the northeast. One takes off. See, there you go. Yeah, then it kind of combines forces over to Carolina with maybe some heavy rain by next weekend, according to the GFS Model Run. All right, let's take a look at the European. We start off about the same time. Well, we start off on Tuesday morning at 11 a.m. But as you can see, there's a system down there in the rain, down south of Louisiana. The system continued to slowly get together, and it will lift off to the north and east. Well, really to the north into Louisiana. So both models kind of handling this thing pretty well. Meanders around Louisiana, slowly lifts off to the north and east, and still brings rain to Florida, and still brings rain to the southeastern portion of the United States as well by next Saturday. We'll continue to watch that and see if any tropical development comes out of it, but right now it looks like it's mainly just going to be just an area of low pressure that may develop and spread a lot of heavy rain and maybe some gusty winds across the Gulf Coast states, and maybe some across the southeastern United States later this week. But I will keep update on it and let everybody know what's going on. So I hope everybody has a great day. Enjoy your Easter. Stay safe and well. Consider subscribing. Love to have you. And we will catch you back in the next one.